I've seen it before. I'm from Manchester, right?
The annoying thing is, I've tried replicating it. Because I haven't got day even though I'll sit there. I've got it as a drawing. Starting an idea with my head. Or I'll see. Let's say I go on AliExpress and I'll see certain parts. And I'll sit there and go, that is a similar shape. In real life, I'll buy that, chop that bit off there, screw it onto it. So, prime example of that. Yeah, hopefully. Is
Rayton's got 350 quid out today. I bought him a, well, I didn't buy it. Vanquish sent me the comp rig in May, and I gave him ran it for his birthday. He's never ran it, and he ain't interested. He's rather drive it.
for rear axle.
The rover, he drives that instead. So I said, if I sell it today, I can
An aerial holder bracket and then a screw through the middle, and that's it. Well, it's just when I see shapes of certain items, I'm like, screw that in there, let's put that up there, I can make it.
That what you bought? You'll have an house? Yeah. I could do, might be there. You'll have an house? Well, I was thinking, I could do this charger and then it's not on for that. Yeah, well, what I was thinking. Yeah, I'm still going to buy a car and then insure it for her. He made one. Yeah. She's got to have a hip operation. Yeah. Too big for that. She's got to have a full hip replacement. Oh, yeah, she will do. Oh, no, I've got a solution. Instead of having so it doesn't hurt. 2 bars like that. Really padded headboard. Someone said it could fold out straight and fold it out over there, yeah. So you can do that. Her face went to Zora quite easily. Anyway.
The irony is, how
So
that
I take all
actually.
of them at once, right?
Do you want to go all the way around first? Hold on.
Oh, mate.
It's alright, doing a full.
Tell her the story.
So I can put the ring box in, see underneath it.
Truck on the bench on the inside. He gave me one last year.
Have you seen actually in that way? It's a workbench. So that side of the truck is complete boom racing, workbench and workshop. This side is massive difference. So when it's fully finished with the graphics and whatever, it will be a boom racing base cam.
Yeah.
Is my theory. So that one's obviously Edna from Bug Out Vehicles. That one is just top of my head, so that one's got its name as Base Camp. This one hasn't got a name, but it was designed off Neen Overland. It had a silver 1230 with a box.
It's more of a
but it's combined with the Australian, how they do the interior with the kitchens and whatnot.
yeah, it's like an overland setup, isn't it? No, I don't. Anybody got a knife? That's not a knife. That's a quote or something. Yeah, that's Crocodile Dundee, isn't
That's
it? That? I was thinking of having same. Guess what I built that for? Tell me what I built that roof for. You know when they launched Fallout London in Naughty Dog in London, the press thing, I got asked to build it.
Yeah.
That was the centerpiece of the table where all the press did it. It was for all the gaming journalists because it's an add-on to the game, Fallout London. It's really good. and I thought, oh, I like doing themed rigs, and that just it did it for me. I love the TV
Absolutely
series.
beautiful, that is, yeah.
What, the Vault?
Fallout, yeah. And if you look on the back, 3D printed Mr. Handy.
I liked it. We enjoyed it.
Oh, wicked series. If you don't mind, I'll just harvest your organs.
Yeah. They're cool.
Oh, when he cut a finger off.
This one's just ordered a load of... And then,
I love the game.
and then they just glued like random
You just picked different ones and then it went back pink again. Yeah. She's quite hot, like.
Enjoy it. Standout eyes, though, aren't she?
You know she's been in some quite dubious films before that. But there are films where...
I know, you got the
You know she's British as well.